morning, students. Welcome to online platform of Shri Academy. Today we are going to do the comprehension section of the chapter The Tempest. Okay, so let's start with the comprehension section. All of you open page number 95 in your book and see the first question. At the time, take the correct options. At one time, Prospero was first Duke of Milan, Kings of Naples, Kings of Milan. So it was Duke of Milan. The mistake that changed Prospero's life was option B, trusting Antonio. Prospero tested Ferdinand and Miranda's love for each other by putting difficulties in their way. This is the correct option. Antonio and the kings of Naples were remorseful because they had been punished by Prospero's magic and had realized their mistake. Before leaving the island, Prospero buried his book. Read the sentences and answer the questions. Ariel was invisible to all the eyes but Prospero's. Option A. To whom was Ariel invisible? So you have to write answer from this point. Ariel was invisible to everyone's eye except Prospero. Ariel was invisible to everyone's eye except Prospero. Second question. Why was he invisible? He was invisible because he was a spirit. Question number. Why wasn't he invisible to Prospero's eyes? Because he had magical powers. Ariel had just appeared to tell his master what he had done with the passenger and crew of the ship. Question A. Who was Ariel's master? Prospero was Ariel's master. Who were the passengers of the ship? Prospero's brother Antonio and kings of Naples were the passenger. What had Ariel done? Somehow I have forgotten to write the answer of this question. So all of you write down. I am speaking the answer. And all of you will write down this in your book. What had Ariel done? So as we have read in the story, Ariel has created the storm in the sea. So the answer will be Ariel had created artificial storm in the sea. Ariel created artificial storm in the sea. So this will be the answer. Now who was yes, now coming to the third. I merely wanted to test the strength of your love. A. Who said these words to whom? Prospero said these words to Ferdinand. How did the speaker test the strength of their love? By putting them in trouble. How did he test it? By putting them in trouble. Was he convinced of their love? How did he react to this? So answer will be yes, he was convinced of their love. Yes, he was convinced of their love. And now what is the answer? Question. How did he react to this? This made him very happy and he allowed Ferdinand to marry Miranda. This made, here it is written, this made him very happy and he allowed Ferdinand to marry Miranda. Okay. Question number 4. Merrily, merrily shall I leave now. Merrily, merrily shall I leave now. Sorry for disturbance. Merrily, merrily shall I leave now. Whose words are these? Whose words are these? Ariel said these words. How will he live now? Ariel will live freely. Sorry. How will he live now? So the answer will be Ariel will marry. I have written it incorrect. So the answer will be how he will live now. He will live freely. Okay. He will live freely. Ariel will live freely. Why will he live merrily now? Prospero had set Ariel free and so that Spirit could live merrily now. Okay. Now coming to the C question. What were Antonio and the kings of Naples guilty of? So the answer will be Antonio and the kings of Naples guilty of robbing Prospero of his dukedom and sailing them out on a rotten boat to perish at sea. Now second question, what did Gonzalo place in the boat? Gonzalo placed water, provision, apparel and Prospero's precious book on magic in the boat. Now third question is, how did Ariel lead to the prince to Prospero? Ariel led the prince to Prospero by singing the song. Question number 4. Why did Ariel and Prospero pity Antonio and the kings of Naples? Prospero pity Antonio and kings of Naples because they were hungry, weary and remorseful of what they had done to Prospero. Question number 5. What was the gift that Prospero had for the kings of Naples? How did it receive it? How did he received it? Prospero presented Ferdinand to his father, the king of Naples, as a gift. He received it with joy and happiness. Now question number 6. What were the 3 things that Prospero did before leaving the island and why? The 3 things that Prospero did before leaving the island were: the first, he gave Ariel his freedom. Second, he buried his book of magic and band deep in earth, and he also brought his brother and kings of Naples to repentance. Now coming to the D, think and answer. How did we know that Miranda did not know about Ariel? We know that Miranda did not know about Ariel because Prospero thought she would be alarmed to see him talking with the empty air and made her fall asleep before speaking to Ariel. Now coming to the second question, Prospero smiled at some secret thought. What was the secret thought? Prospero smiled because he knew that Miranda and Ferdinand would fall in love. Now third, except for her father, she had never seen a man before. What does this tell about the island? This tells us that the island was inhabited by human beings beside Prospero and Miranda. Now the last question, why do you think Prospero put Ferdinand to work? Prospero put Ferdinand to work because he wanted to test the love between him and Miranda. Now, yes. Take the correct meaning of the phrases in bold. First phrase is, he was able to do so with the aid of his ally, the kings of Naples. So what is the correct? Correct one is the A option, with the help of his supporter. Ariel gave a lively description of the storm. So enthusiastic description. He took her for the good goddess of island and addressed her as one. So the correct option is, spoke to her as if she was goddess of island. Add the suffix ans to change the form of these words. You may have to make some changes in spelling of these words. Differ, difference. Disturb, disturbance. Intelligence, intelligence. Allow, allowance. Assure, assurance. Appear, appearance. Perform, performance. Confer, conference. In this way we have completed up to the F part of the chapter. Now in the next video I will explain the grammar study. Thank you, and complete your book. Have a good day. Complete your copy and have a good day.